Hey, what's up, dude? Welcome to another video. So the Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition reportedly in the works. Leaks reveal its model number, storage and color option. Last year, Galaxy S20 Fan Edition was a surprising hit and it was one of the best-selling smartphones from Samsung. The successor of the Galaxy S20 model, the S20 Fan Edition came from a combination of excellent specs and attractive price tags no one expected from Samsung, at least not in the high-end segment. And if a company has a device which is performing incredibly well, they make a sequel of that particular device. And according to a new report that has been arriving from the sammobile sources, gives us a detail that the Galaxy device with the model number SMG990B is in a development and that it may be the Galaxy S21 Fan Edition. If you look at the history of the Samsung Galaxy device's model number scheme, it will point out that the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition has a model number SMG780F and SMG781B, while the Galaxy S21 Fan Edition has a model number of SMG990, which should be the LTE variant of the Galaxy S21. Well, they would be right, but however, Samsung hasn't launched the LTE variant of its latest flagship, and we are assuming it has only been trying to streamline things by bringing the model number of the Galaxy S21 Fan Edition in line with the standard Galaxy S21 model. According to the same mobile sources, the Galaxy S21 Fan Edition will have specs that are taken from both the Galaxy S21 and S21 Plus. Perhaps it will also feature a micro SD card slot. Unfortunately, some mobile sources claims that the device is going to be coming with a 5G connectivity and has two different storage options, 128 and 256 gigs models, whereas the Android 11 with One UI 3.1 support is expected to be coming with this S21 Fan Edition. And the sources claims that the device is going to be launching in silver, pink, violet and white color option. And the launch of the device is probably going to be in the second half of this year. But we have to wait for more concrete information to surface in the coming weeks or months because these information are just arriving. So overall, I think that the Galaxy S21 Fan Edition is expected to be coming in the second half of this year just because the fact that it has a lower pricing than the S21 devices, and also it is going to be coming with the best of the features with S21 and S21 Plus, which will attract more customers. Anyhow, I am also expecting that Samsung will include an S Pen support in the S21 Fan Edition, considering the fact that the leaks are pointing out towards the discontinuation of Galaxy Note devices. Anyhow, take these leaks as a pinch of salt right now because it's still early and we are a couple of months away before we get the more concrete information. Anyhow, if you're looking to buy a new phone right now, the Galaxy S21 series is going to be a good option though, but do keep in mind that it will come with some compromises, like it don't have any expandable storage and you have to buy charger and earphones separately. Anyhow, I am very much excited about the S21 Fan Edition. Let me know your thoughts. What are your expectations from the S21 FE in the comment section below, and if you are new here on the channel, do consider subscribing for daily tech video. Thanks for watching this video. Peace.